Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to export Framer to HTML. Since Framer does not include a built-in feature for exporting a complete website, we will use Figma and two plugins as a workaround. So by following these steps, you can import your Framer website design and convert it into a usable code. So to begin, open the Framer project that you want to export, and from the project editor, click the Publish button and make sure the website is live. And once the published versions open, copy the website URL because you will need to paste it into Figma later. Next, open Figma and create a blank design file, and you do not need to add anything to the canvas because the website content will be imported automatically. And after opening the new file, go to the plugin area and search for HTML to design, and then click the plugin to open it. And when the plugin window appears, paste your published Framer website link into the URL field. Then click import and wait while the plugin loads the website. And then Figma may also ask you to check the HTML layer names and simply follow the instructions shown and then click add to canvas. And after a few moments, the pages and elements from your Framer website should appear inside the Figma file. And once the import is complete, use the layers panel to choose the main layer or the specific section that you want to convert. And from there, open the actions menu and select plugins and widgets, and then search for Magazone Figma to code, then launch the plugin, and this tool will read the selected design and prepare it for code generation. And once the plugin opens, select preview to see how the imported page will appear, and if everything looks correct, switch to the code section and click generate code. And then wait briefly while the plugin processes the selected design and creates the code. And after the process is finished, click the copy code button, and then the generated code will be copied, allowing you to paste and use it outside of Framer. And that is how you export Framer to HTML by moving the published website into Figma and using plugins to generate the code. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.